Here's the console itself. Another Joy-Cons. It's the right one. The left. Okay, first thing it shows is the carrying case. Stuck in there, hold on. There we go. Switch, little designs, nice blue, other side, Nintendo logo, switch is on the red side, these nice yellow zippers. And there's a straw, sweet red. That is a nice black felt. And you have a little sleeve here you can protect the Switch. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 game slots you can put in there. Mesh cord and that stuff. Pretty nice. Case of screen protector. Okay, this is not the best, and they better third-party ones, but it does come with a screen protector, which is always nice. Definitely will probably stick this on for sure, just to see how it is. Again, not the best screen protector, but we'll see how it does. Of course, on the bottom here, safety guide and such. We have cables, chargers, and HDMI to plug to the TV. Manuals. The middle here is probably my favorite part of this. Oh, I love this. It's nice blue Joy-Con grip to put the Joy-Cons into. Looks very, very nice. I love the color blue. So red is definitely a close second for me though, as well. And on the two sides here we have little straps, little flecks of blue, white, and red. Excuse my hands being wet, I was out in the cold. Getting this. This last is, put these back there. Next is the dock itself, which is in a nice bubble wrap. And as well. Make sure everything's nice and good. There's that red switch. USB. Into TV or not. Side to side. And flap here. Everything's red. I'm gonna go get this set up and I'll take another video when I'm ready.